How do you think about confidence, or maybe trying to develop that in a person that you might be working with?
How do I develop confidence in somebody that I'm working with? That's such a beautiful question. Honestly, I think for me, what it starts with is peeling back the layers and getting back to the place of when they were confident. Because everybody, and I really believe this, there's a tipping point for a lot of people where the shadows start to build more strongly, the limiting beliefs start to form a harder shell around this core being who comes into the world innately with some level of confidence. And so, and again, that's very general because I do this in so many different ways with different clients, depending on who I'm working with. But getting them back to that place of either what they remember or something that lights them up, maybe where they feel like they're in their zone of genius, is typically where I'll start. And then I'll give them embodiment tools or homework assignments, let's say, to help build on that momentum, because confidence, I believe, is a muscle that you flex, just like a limiting belief is a muscle that you can continue to flex if you choose to flex it. Confidence is the same thing. So what are the things that are, I'm a trainer, so this is the way that my brain works, but what are the exercises, what are the activities that are allowing you to flex that muscle in the most efficient, most enjoyable way? Because if I'm writing a workout program for somebody, yes, I want to help them reach their goals. I want the workout to be efficient. I want it to be a little challenging. I want them to leave feeling like, holy shit, she worked me out. But I also really want it to be empowering and fun. I want my client to walk away from that training session being like, I just fucking did that. Like, there's a positive momentum there, and there's a belief that is now sparked and being built. And I'm sharing that metaphor because it's the same with the confidence. How do we find something that gives that same level of empowerment and helps them build that same level of momentum, and then it grows from there, which is a very interesting question to answer.
Yeah. Thank you very much for tuning in to that clip. If you enjoyed it, then you'll love the full-length episode right here. Right here. Click it. Go ahead.